targets in real time and identify them. This automation reduces workload on the operators, improves safety, and minimizes the risk of human error, thus significantly increasing the efficiency of the system. High-resolution daytime camera and infrared one allow the system to be combat ready round the clock in harsh environment. Apart from that, the Z16E serves as a retransmitter station, which allows to widen the range of operation and enhances the signal. A hybrid navigation system, both inertial or coordinate system, GPS and television, guarantees operability in EW-infested environments. Изделие 51E, an infrared version with 5 kg warhead, and изделие 52, which is right in front of you, a lighter one with infrared capability and 3 kg warhead. The specs are right there. We've enhanced first distance, then time, then ceiling, and improved other characteristics, widening the selection of warheads that we propose at the market now. It's now shape charge fragmentation against heavy armor and soft skin targets, thermobaric, explosively formed projectile one, and the regular shape charge against heavy armor like MBTs, protected with the most modern and sophisticated protection systems. The system features low radar and acoustic due to composite materials and electric motor, high maneuverability and stability due to special XX aerodynamic design, which allows to attack targets at the most vulnerable angles, high jamming immunity, and protected communications channel ensure Lancet-E efficiency in EW-infested areas. Where maneuverability and user-friendliness are concerned, ZALA developed a disposable launcher for special operations, which helps operator to withdraw from the position as fast as possible, thus saving lives of our and our customers' most precious and valuable asset, the people. The combat record of Lancet-E system is impressive, but apart from asset itself, we support core principle of our partners and customers, which is technological independence and propose localization programs. The production cycle is based on a unique cascade principle developed by ZALA. This approach allows flexible scaling of the UAV production to meet specific objectives and investment needs, with the launch of serial production of new models in record time while maintaining the quality and precision